Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the RICILAR projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, a 2024 upgrade that brings you seamless 5G and 2.4G dual-channel Wi-Fi connectivity for fast and stable syncing with both iOS and Android devices. This projector boasts native 1080p resolution with support for 4K, delivering stunning visuals with a 15,000:1 contrast ratio and advanced 3 LCD color technology, ensuring vibrant and true-to-life colors. Equipped with dual built-in HiFi stereo surround speakers and Bluetooth 5.0, it offers an exceptional audio experience whether you're using external speakers or not. The 4D Keystone and zoom functions allow you to adjust the image size from 50% to 100% without moving the projector, making it compatible with a wide range of devices like iPhones, laptops, gaming consoles, and more. Thanks to its advanced noise reduction technology and efficient cooling system, this projector minimizes noise by 80%, providing a more immersive viewing experience with projection sizes ranging from 45 to 300 inches. Its portable design, complete with joystick controls, makes it perfect for home cinema, outdoor parties, or gaming, while the 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support ensure peace of mind. Don't forget to activate and extend your warranty for even more coverage, and enjoy endless entertainment possibilities with the RICILAR projector. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.